Hello friends, this is a pick a card reading and the question is what transformational phase you are going through currently and what sort of a changes coming your life, what changes do you expect in near coming future. So here again we have two options. As you see, the first option is like this blue spoon and the second option we have a green spoon. So choose any one option. So let me begin with the first one option. So if you choose the first one, so let me take some cards. What sort of a changes first coming your way? What sort of a transformational phase bringing in your life? What changes coming your way? From my beautiful pile number one, follow your dreams. What changes you expect in your life? What changes do you expect in your life? We have the spiritual career. We have the completion, and we have a teaching and learning in reverse, and relationship change in reverse, and the individuality upright, and bottom of the deck leadership. What I am sensing, whoever choose pile number one, you are type of a social worker in some sort of a way. You have a spiritual career. This is not important that maybe you are very spiritual being, but you provide your services to the other people. You are like a caring kind of a caring and nurturing kind of a people who help others. Maybe just you are helping your family members, but you are helping someone in some sort of a way. You are providing your services to other. So in any way, if you do help others, that then that is like a spiritual career. So you are like provide your services for other humanity, right? For the humanity you do some sort of a work, and your total focus is on individuality, right? Not on the relationship. The changes that is coming in your life is like you are more mature, you are helping others, you are totally focused on your self-worth, self-love, individuality, and there are some sort of a relationship change need to come in your life, but you are avoiding that change in your currently relationship. You are avoiding some sort of a change. And teaching and learning card is also reversed, that is also representing that maybe some sort of a teaching and learning, you are also not learning some sort of a lesson that divine want to taught you through this transformational journey, through this transformation phase. You need to learn something, but you are avoiding, continuously avoiding the relationship change in your life and the learning of some sort of a lesson, right? So you are avoiding that transformational phase, but there is a like a completion of something. The thing is you are too much focused on yourself. The changes that the transformational phase bring in your life is like the self love, self worth. You are totally work upon yourself, self discipline. You are working upon yourself. Follow your dreams, that is upright, right? Again 5 number, that is the change. You are making some sort of a change after this transformational phase, but you what you are resisting during this transformational phase is like learning some sort of a lesson of change in your love and relationship, right? You are, you don't want to learn some sort of a lesson in your love relationship, but the thing is this transfer after this transformational change, transformational phase, the changes that's coming in your life is like you become more focused upon yourself and you follow your dreams. Maybe you are too much provider, you are too much into helping others, right? So you at the same time you also have to take care of yourself, and you also help the humanity in some sort of a way. And the completion of old chapters in your life because of this change, and you learn the leadership qualities, or maybe you already have some leadership qualities inside you. You become learn how to become be how to become a single person and like a leader. Follow your dreams, you are like the leader of your own life, right? So that is the changes that is this transformational phase bringing in your life, right? So let me take more cards, three cards. I'm just taking three more cards. What transformational changes coming your way? Oh my god, you have a star card, King of Cups. See, this is something fated. You are hoping for something, and this is like a fated event, divine blessings coming your way, so that you realize something about your own deep inner emotions. You have some dreams in your life, and you have to devote your time towards your dreams. So, this is the divine timing interfering into your life, so that you must know what your deep inner interest is, right? What your emotions. See, again, king, and maybe this is all about a love. Maybe you have a someone your match on your level, king and queen kind of energy. Maybe this all fated event is all just because of your love life, king and queen kind of energy. See, you have a beautiful love partnership with someone, but that partnership needs some sort of a change, and this transformational phase do bring that change in your love life, right? There is a completion of something, some old chapter, some old cycle, right? This is like the healing time period. So let me take one last card. What more about these changes in your life? What you expect next in your life due to this transformational phase? What you expect next in your life? See, Empress and the Judgment. Someone from the past maybe do come back to you for a reconciliation, or maybe you have to just realize that you have a deep love for someone, and there is a chances of reconciliation. Someone from the past maybe bring back in your life, and the Empress card is all about that you become take charge of your life. You become the boss of your own life. You are not feeling codependent anymore after this transformational phase. You become feel confidence, a lot of confidence. You are sitting good, you are in your power, you using your life, you are like creating your own life. You are the boss of your own life. You are in a higher vibration, right? You simply follow your dreams. You are just working upon yourself. You are this like a beautiful queen, but someone do want to come back in your life, right? So this is the all transformational phase for my beautiful pile number 1. So let me move on to pile number 2. So if you choose this green spoon, right? So let me see, let me shuffle the cards first for my beautiful pile number 2. But after transformational phase, what is coming in your life? What changes coming in your life? We have a lot of cards, so let me shuffle again. What changes coming your way? What changes, what transformational changes coming your way? So I am taking down domestic harmony. After transformational phase, what is coming in your life? Adventure. After transformational phase, what universe bring in your life? So we have the financial discipline, we have the moderation, upright. You all the have upright cards. Completion of something and the spiritual career. This is, these two cards is also pop out for pile number 1, but let me take both and bottom of the deck. Personal growth. So you are definitely working on your personal growth after this transformational change. After the completion of some sort of a karma or cycle in your life, there is a ending of something, a new chapter, starting of a new chapter, in which you are feeling a lot of positive energy, courage, right? Lot of courage you feel. You do organize some sort of a like adventurous trip. Maybe you organize after you make some sort of a change in your life to rejuvenate your energy, right? You want to just want a high vibration in your life. You are like feeling enthusiastic about after this transformational phase, and your main focus is like domestic harmony. You want a peaceful happy home life, and you have enough courage to bring this happiness in your home, and you are totally focused upon your personal growth. You are ending some sort of a chapter, karma cycle, some sort of a whatever the what serving what all the things that is not serving you in your life. You are like removing that thing from your life. You making some changes in your life. Transformational phase is all about a change. So yes, some sort of a changes related to financial discipline. You want a financial security, so you are also following some sort of a financial discipline. Maybe before you are not consciously spending money on the things that you want, but now you become more conscious about the things, that how to spend money on the right way. And the spiritual career, you also providing your helping hand to others in some sort of a way. You do provide your services for the humanity, right? And you feel very enthusiastic after all the changes going on in your life. So let me take three cards. What transformational changes coming your way? What transformational changes coming your way? So first of all, there is some sort of a movement in your life. If you are stuck about something, and if there is a no communication with someone, then communication coming your way, some changes coming your way, some movement coming your way. Or this is also related to a journey, so maybe some sort of a journey, right? So yes, maybe a small text message, maybe someone texting you back in your life, right? So something related to further movement after all these changes. So next card, I'm not taking that much. What transformational change coming your way? Three of Pentacle, you are building something that is all related to your financial discipline. You are too much focused upon your work environment, and you do recognized after this transformational phase, you recognized by others for your work. Whatever the work you put in a relationship, in a money area, you are recognized for your hard work, right? So let me take one final card. What the next change? What this transformational phase bring in your life? Lovers card. Okay, lovers card. So this all transformational phase bringing you a soulmate, right? So some sort of a lover or love of your life coming your way after all this transformational phase. This phase is going to be happen, so that some sort of a love of your life coming back into your life, right? You are getting your soulmate. That is the major, like a blessing or the gift you get by these transformational changes in your life, right? So this is the small reading for my beautiful viewers. If you do like, then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.